Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're a new viewer, definitely go and watch all the videos. And if you're liking these videos, you can definitely hit that subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp. This is the number. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can click the video description and you can click on the link to open your account in Zerodha, Upstox or Angel Broking. Angel Broking is free as of now, so you can take the advantage. So before we start off this video, I want, if you're not watched my this particular video, okay, price action trading video, our introduction video. So if you have not yet watched this video, watch this video so that you understand first of all what is price action and price action trading, so that when I this is the second part of it, so we will be learning one methods of price actions where we can take advantage. So watch this, then watch this particular video, so that will be a good way of learning. So alright, so first we will go with theory, then we'll go with practical. So now I'm gonna talk about the channels. Okay, so what is this channel? This is part of price action trading. Overall price action is part of technical analysis. So what we are doing is technical analysis. In technical analysis we are talking about price action type of trading. In that we are using channels as one of the method. Now what exactly is this? So it something looks like this. So this is nothing but, don't worry, this is nothing but trend lines which we will draw up, and like this we draw trend lines. All right, so we are going to draw like this based on the movement. For example, if the candlesticks, okay, let's say candlestick has moved like this, okay, like this, so I would say this is a uptrend, okay, uptrend. And this particular, okay, it is going, now you know water goes in a particular channel, right? So we make a pond, like line like this, lane like this, and it goes in a certain way, water. So that's a channel of water. Same way, this is a channel of price. Okay, simple, keep it in mind. So it's a channel for price movement. So now let's say it was stocks where the candle was going like this, we will draw a line. So this is called uptrend. Let's say the price patterns were going like this, price movement and price action was like this, like this, like this. So we drew a line touching the points. So for drawing we need at least 1 and 2 points. Let's say this is, okay, 1 2 1 2, okay, 2 points. Same way here also, this is sideways, okay, this is uptrend, this is downtrend, this is sideways. Just for your information, sideways means going sideways. Okay, basically thinking that it is going like this. Okay, so XP. So always remember your top line is your resistance, down line your support, resistance, support, resistance, support. This is something which is stopping you to go up, this is something which is stopping you to go down. Remember in basic way. So now keeping this type of thing in mind, okay, so how can we take advantage in terms of swing trading? Okay, when I say swing or positional trading or short term trading, not long term, short term. Remember, technical analysis will be more accurate in short term than in intraday. Always, I would always say this, because see, whatever is happening here is not a magic. Okay, over here like this movement, along with you people are trying to buy, along with you people are trying to sell here, because it's a human behavior, because they are educated just like we and you. After knowing this video, they will do buy and sell based on understanding this level. So that is the reason you see a reversal happening here, going down, up and down. Somewhere in these level only it is like trading in this level, touching, going up a little bit. So because of human behavior, okay, just like a traffic signal, if we all follow the signal properly, everything will be proper. People who don't know about the signal, when they cross and break the rules, traffic jam will happen. Same way, people who don't know these type of technical terms or technical advantages, they will go opposite, and that may spoil our advantage. That is the reason I say in intraday the accuracy goes down in technical analysis or indicator, whatever we use, because most of the people do not know the knowledge about technical analysis. So they don't know that they should take a buy here. Maybe they make a loss, most of them will make a profit, or let's say so many people shorted here and we lost our profit here. So many things can happen. And always, also one thing you should remember, news. If there is news, your technical analysis will fail, because technical analysis, what it is based on, seeing past what happened, how the price movement, and in the present, let's say drawing a line. So in present you're taking action, okay, and then we are predicting the future, that it can go up till here, at least halfway, full way. This is the resistance. So my profit booking is here, buying is here, selling is here. So your past, present and future is being used for technical analysis. Now imagine a news come, for example the COVID virus came, suddenly the market fell. So during this time it will not see your support and resistance. People panic and they sell their positions and stock will fall free flow. Or let's say good news come, no matter your stock is down, when good news come it will spike and go up. So no matter you have resistance or support, it will not go like this, it will just go like this or fall like this and go up. All these things will happen. So be very mindful. Market risk is always there. That is the reason when there is news, technical analysis will fail. So keep these things in mind. Now let's go to practical part. So let's just go and see how we can draw these things and try to take an advantage in swing trading, so that you guys can practice in a few years of learning this technical analysis. This may help you guys. So what we will do, let's say Nifty chart, or let's say, so important, I'll put 1 day candle mainly. Normally we can use 1 hour candle for short term or positional, or moreover more traders use 1 day. So what others use also, if we use only, we will get that advantage, okay, because everyone has to take a position at certain point. Now let's say it very important thing in price action thing is you need to first read the chart, okay. You need to see how the patterns have moved and all that. Initially as a beginner you may feel it difficult, you may not understand things, but slowly as and when you practice, things will become more easy, your drawing will become more accurate, so that you can take better actions. Now I'll do a simple way. Now for example, now I just zoomed out. Now let's say I'm just reading the chart here. So if you see overall, you can see all the points here. See, this is a point, this is a point, this is a point, this is a point. Let's draw a trend line here like this, okay. Same way, let's say this is a point, this is, I got 1 point, 2 point, 1 point, 2 point. So let's say I'm doing some drawing here. We can take line over here, all right. So now let me touch this point and try to touch all the above point, maximum points like this, okay. So this is how the points are touching. So now if you see, most of the time when the price reached here, there is a rejection, right, and this is acting like a resistance for this particular Nifty. Now somewhere in this area, see, always remember it's not an exact dot, this area is a resistance, this area is a resistance, this area is a resistance. Now down, if I see somewhere over here I have a point, here I have a point, and so on. Now let's say I'm drawing somewhere here. Okay, so maximum lines touch, it is more good. So now imagine I drew this particular point, okay. So basically it's like a channel. Now this is an uptrend channel, right? You see it is going upside, almost it is going upside, uptrend channel. Now here you see I got a point here, second point. So I started drawing at this particular point, considering this is my resistance, because twice it touched. Same way here it touched, second time it touched here, and it started breaking and going up again, okay. So maybe in this point at the second, always remember in second point only you get a confirmation that this is going to be a resistance. In first point you cannot just predict it, just drawing, touching any line, just drawing a line and saying this is resistance. No, you can draw a line like this, you can draw like this, you can draw like this, you can draw like this. So remember you need 2 points to draw always. So touch this point and touch this point somewhere here or here and draw a line. So always you see it goes, most of the time you see the price, if there is no market news interfering, you see most of the time it goes, touched here, it reversed, you got a green candle, it went up here. So let's say from this point it started going up, first confirmation here, confirm that this is my upper and lower limit. So this is my resistance, this is my support. Somewhere let's say in the middle when it broke up and the support line, it took a support and went up, I took a buy position, let's say around the price of 1054. So my resistance is somewhere at this particular point. So when it reached closer, let's say somewhere here or here, so you know it's reaching to my resistance point here. So let me say I've exited before my resistance point 1183, okay. So this is how you could have taken advantage. Let's say it touched the resistance point over here and it started coming down. So let's say after 2 days I took a position once it deviated away from my resistance. So now from here, let's say 11873, I booked my profit before 107. So before that I am booking. So from 11,900 levels, I am booking 10,900 levels, somewhere I am booking almost 1000 points roughly, I'm just telling you. Okay, so now again here is a point. So you see the advantage, 1.2 point, 1.2 point, you see this was my third point and this was my third point. So I have an opportunity from here buy, from here sell, here buy, and so on. Later it may go away from the channel. You see it has broken the support line. So the support line it broke, later it didn't come up. See, it didn't broke and it didn't come up to take an advantage, it went down. And anyways, like coronavirus news came out at this particular point. That's what I told you, when news has come, nothing matters, your support or whatever doesn't matter. It can be a free fall also like this, or it can go halfway and turn, it depends on the situation. So this is how you can take advantage. You can start drawing. I mean, you can just go to the chart, go to the previous data, see how the trend is going. Is it uptrend, downtrend, all those. Anywhere, wherever you see points. Let's say now you saw this as a point. Okay. Wait. Okay. So let's say this is the point. This is the point. This is the point. This is the point. Now you are drawing a channel like this, and you are drawing a channel like this. See, you see advantage here is a sell point, buy point, buy point, sell point, buy point, sell point. So you can take advantage, because just like us, other technical analysts are taking actions at this particular points. People are looking to buy at this point. So that is the advantage it is going. Okay, that's the reason stock most of the time it goes like this. If you know where is the point it turns, where is the area it turns. Now point doesn't mean it is like 1000. At 1000 exactly it will touch and go. No, maybe 1000 is the point, means let's say it can come to 990, or let's say 101 here also. Either before it or after that also it can come and turn, or it can break down, all that. So be very mindful when you draw. So let's say stock specific, let's say you're taking any stock. So 1 day candle only, right? Okay. So now let's say the stock is Bank Baroda. So now, so you can see something over here. We have a line over here. So let's draw. Roughly, try to touch more points. 1.2 point here. Okay, 1.2 point here. Let's say you're drawing here. Okay. So now you see roughly I'm drawing. See, now 1 point touched here, it reversed, it touched here. 1 point, 1 point. 2 point, let's say here it came again, reversed from this point, 2 point. Now here is a confirmation for buy, and somewhere here sell. Okay, now let's say you're selling here 173 before my resistance. Let's say I'm booking at 150, or else you're waiting full down 150, 140. Again I'm taking a position here. Let's say it went up to here, or let it say it went up to 153. Okay, so roughly you are getting to know which is my upper limit, okay, which is my resistance, which is my support in terms of swing trading. Okay, now if you try to apply this in intraday, the fluctuations will be so bad, it can break this or it can go false also, because people psychology, right? People don't know this buy here, sell here. They will buy anywhere, they will sell anywhere. Things go wrong based on their logic, they'll do whatever, so it will go wrong. So most of the people in short term, they don't, not every beginners will do short term or swing trading, because you need more money. So people who do swing trading would have done intraday, they would have learned technical analysis like this. They will try to take advantage at the right point. See, take a position here, maybe after a week or 2 week or 1 week, they are booking the profit. Now let's say we will not wait for the upper end. Let's say you took somewhere in the halfway, when it went up, you took a position, you're selling within between. So let's say you took somewhere around 116 here only, 117 somewhere, and you sold in between 134. So that is a big profit, 10% profit and all that. All right. So 1 rupee 30 paisa moves, you are making 1% profit. So 10% profit on a stock you're hitting. So if example, you're investing 1 lakh rupees. If you're putting 1 lakh rupees, you're making 10k rupees. Whereas in bank, if you put 1 lakh for 1 year, you will get only 6,000 maximum, I would say roughly. Okay. So you are making that particular amount. So this is how you can take advantage in swing trading. And remember, when there is a news, okay. So let's say once it has gone away from this particular levels, now let's say news came, it fell. See, this one fell. There is no point. Now let's say you want to draw here. You see, I'm just reading the charts. Anywhere you can find this. See here, this point, this point, this point. Okay. Now let's say you're touching this point, second point, third point, fourth point. So you had advantage 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So you had this 3 and 4 opportunities right from the second point itself. So it's up to you how you identify it and all that. Or let's say any stock. So any stock, just open it and read through the charts. Main thing. Initially you will feel difficult. Later on, if you start drawing, it will become more easy. Now let's say I'm drawing a line over here, touching all the points. Something like this. All right. Yeah. So now let's say I'm drawing a point here. Okay. So now let's say for me, this is a confirmation, 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 confirmation. All right, like this. So now it broke the resistance, and yeah, 2020, you know what happened, but still it broke the support and it went down. Now it is coming up. So the channels will change after a trend. So for some time there you will have 1 2 3 4 options, like I told you, like points, you will have a lot of points. So before that you can take advantage when it, always remember it should reverse. It's not like go down, and like if it goes down also it has to come up, break the this one. Because when a stock goes down, remember, when a stock goes down like this, okay, stock goes down like this one will become your resistance, not support. Only once your stock crosses this will become your support. So only if you have support. So if you have support only, you will be confident, right? Without support nobody will be confident. Same way, when this one comes up, price is standing above this line, this becomes a support. That is when the price starts going up, green candles and all start here, and you see a momentum picking, I'll take a position and book it before the resistance. So that's how you can take out that money from the market, and it is a nice way to learn. So more practice you have to put. Always remember, nothing is 100%. It's up to how you interpret and take advantage with along with other traders. If you want, you can add some indicators to it, and all those benefits you can do to be more safer. Don't just use just once. See this, and also whenever you choose a stock, for example, you're taking Apollo tire here, all right, you see it going bouncing back, cross check whether it has some news, okay, let's say fundamentals or something like this. If it has some events, so if there is some event saying, let's say there is a loss booked, the profit of the company has gone down, some bad thing has happened, then ignore that, because fundamentally there is something bad going on. So in long term it's a bad thing. So don't take that stock. Take a stock which doesn't have any news or something in nearby closer, any bad news, then definitely you can do. So this is one tip I would like to say. So always remember, whatever I teach in this channel is not for buying and selling. I will never entertain that. This is only for learning. In a few years of learning, maybe after a few years you will be a better trader. So that's what I believe in. So first, let's learn, apply this in whatever candles or whatever you do. Apply this, write down in a book where was your entry point, where was the exit point, see where reversal happened, how much advantage you could do. So this will be a homework for all our Smart Trader members. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share this video with all your friends and family. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.